Hai lam sogo DipakEntertainment news channel ni bising tui tini ni news non ro kaham kai nadi notice live news channel or news channel sing tui interlocutor nok te audio kan ismi pai thak jora nai tong di komongma tipra sorok kok sungpune rok group rok comment khaine rok ba Facebook rok comment khaine rok norong ni bagoi khas khai o tini ni o video rok tipra mo thano norok lasi mung rinai rok ni bagoi interlocutor biang thangka hani samani rok norok tabu kaham kai nugui mankhana notice live ni bising tui o video ni maidam tin norok nugui tongkhana Amit ni order tikhai phainai hati bar ni bisingu no sok painai Tripura hastawo AK Mishra Interlocutor norok choya kari o video ni puilan chim paithak jura nai tongdi Tripura sani je kono ekta safeguard tok sungnai kok salainai kaham hamya salainai sawi Tripura sani man tai sok nai kok sajangnai kaham kai choya kari nai tongdi tei khas khayoi je kebengi tongnai Tripura mo thano borok ni bagoi o video tini ni bagoi tini no video no puilan ni sim paithak jora norok choya kari nai tongdi.
Sources in New Delhi told Northeast Live that Mishra has already had at least one round of informal talks with Tripura Motha chief Pradyut Dev Burma this week. An official announcement by the Union Home Ministry is expected soon, but sources said Mishra is set to visit Tripura next week as part of a familiarization tour. Well, Mishra may meet Chief Minister Manik Saha as well as Tripura Motha leaders during the visit. And well, the Tripura Motha shot into political prominence in Tripura with its demand for a greater Tripura land, although the party has since been talking of constitutional rights and a constitutional solution to its demand for maximum autonomy for the tribal people who were once a majority in the state bordering Bangladesh. The Motha is seeking political, administrative and financial autonomy for Tripura tribals. And before the just concluded State Assembly polls, Amit Shah met Motha leaders in Delhi, following which a draft agreement was prepared by the MHA. The draft agreement has not been accepted by Tripura Motha, which wants a revamp of the draft to include its core demands.